Hi guys, welcome as we do this question and I read the question. Describe the region bounded by straight lines and denoted by A. Guys, we have an inequality question right here. We have these lines and we have the region A, which guys is the desired region. And so guys, I now have the line 1, line 2, and line 3. The first thing is to get the equation of those lines. And so therefore, starting with the equation with the line 1, guys, I get a point on that line, 2 points, 1 point is 4, 2. And I have another line, another point 0, 0. And of course, I need another point for getting the equation, which is xy. Guys, now using those 3 points, I can get the gradient and the equation. And therefore, the gradient is 0 minus 2, that is y increment, all over x increment 0 minus 4. This now comes to 1 over 2. And this is now equal to y increment is y minus 0, x increment is x minus 0 is x. And so therefore, guys, our equation for that line is going to be y equals to x over 2. So guys, we've been able to get the equation of that line. Guys, now we go to the next equation. But without even going to the next equation first, we can get the inequality of that equation. Guys, looking at the graph, we have this line and the undesired part region is the upper side. And so we choose a point on the lower side and I choose 0, negative 3. So guys, if I choose 0, negative 3 as my point, reference point, you find that if I am on this line and I put x as 0, guys, as you can see here, I will get y as 0. And so therefore, the point I have chosen, which is on the desired region, guys, the y will always be minus. That is less than a line, y on that line. And so therefore, guys, the y is going to be should always be less. And therefore, our inequality then is going to be y less or equal to x over 2. And so guys, this is my inequality for the first line. Going to the second line, the second line is x equals to 0. X equals to 0. So you can see this line passes through the origin. Guys, now if you look, the unwanted part is on this side. That is on the positive x side. But on this side, this is the wanted region. And so therefore, guys, always my x will be less than 0. And therefore, I can write the inequality as x always less or equal to 0. And so, guys, this is my inequality. Just as I have said, always it will be negative. And so 0 will be greater than that point. And therefore, guys, this is what we have for the line 2. Guys, now we go to line 3. For the line 3, we choose 2 points on that line. And one of the point is negative 3. This is the point, negative 3, 0. And another point is here, which is 0, negative 3. And finally, we have any point on that line, xy. This is to get the equation. And so therefore, y increase, that is negative 3 minus 0, all over x increase 0 minus negative 3. This now comes to negative 3 over negative 3 gives us 1. This is actually plus because we have 0 minus minus, and so this comes to plus, and so we have negative 1. Guys, this now is equal to y increase, y minus minus 3 is y plus 3, all over x increase, which is x minus 0. And so therefore, guys, our equation then is going to be minus x equals to y plus 3. And therefore now, guys, we can now leave y on this side, and 3 we bring it on this side. So we shall have minus 3 minus x is now equal to y. Guys, now we come to the inequality. Looking at this line, which is this line we have here, the unwanted region is on this side, and the wanted region is on this other side. And so therefore we can choose a point like 0, 0. We can choose a point 0, 0. And that point is 0, 0, as you can see. If we were to put 0 onto this equation, guys, we already had that, and that gives us negative 3. So, and that's why you can see this is negative 3. But the point we have chosen, guys, you can see we have 0. And we know that 0 is greater than negative 3. And so therefore this value of y should always be greater or equal. And so therefore we shall have negative 3 minus x. Now this point is greater than the point on that line, and so we shall put it like that. Y. And so therefore, guys, this is our inequality for line 3, which is this. Guys, now combining the equations, we will have negative 3 minus x is less or equal to y, and y is now less or equal to x over 2. And then we have x less or equal to 0. And so therefore, guys, this is our solution. And thank you for listening to me. Bye.